Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation about the fascinating world of cyberware. Today, I would like to talk to you about the possible applications of it and its advantages. Let's dive into this futuristic universe where technology and the human body merge in incredible ways. First, let's define what cyberware is. Cyberware refers to cybernetic modifications implanted in the human body to enhance physical and mental capabilities. These enhancements can range from increased strength and speed to improved cognitive and perceptual abilities. A very popular type of cyberware is one that enhances our physical abilities. Just imagine having the ability to run faster, jump higher, or lift heavy objects with ease. A cybernetic implant in the legs, for example, could give us superhuman speed and agility. And this would not only be useful for the athletes, but also for people in high-risk professions, such as firefighters or rescuers. Personally, I would like to have leg implants. These implants would allow me to run long distances without getting tired and jump over obstacles with no effort. Additionally, they could have extra functions, like cushioning systems to prevent injuries and sensors that monitor my health in real time. Another type of cyberware focuses on improving our mental capabilities. There are many implants that can increase our memory, our ability to concentrate, and our ability to process information quickly. These implants would be especially useful in academic or work environments where high mental performance is required. If I had to recommend a type of cyberware for general use, it would be the neural implants. These devices could help people learn new languages faster, remember information more accurately, and solve complex problems without effort. Additionally, they could be connected to the network, allowing instant access to information and data from around the world. And we cannot forget the positive impact that cyberware can have on our health and well-being. There are implants that can constantly monitor our vital signs, detect diseases at early stages, and administer medications automatically. This type of technology could revolutionize medicine and improve the quality of life for many people. Imagine having an integrated health monitor that can detect any anomaly in your body and alert you instantly. This device could even connect to your doctor to provide a quick and accurate diagnosis. It would be like having a personal doctor 24/7, which sounds like a crazy idea. In summary, cyberware offers an incredible variety of enhancements that can transform our lives in many ways, from enhancing our physical and mental abilities to improving our health and well-being. The possibilities are endless. Personally, I would love to have like implants to enhance my physical performance, and I would recommend neural implants to anyone for a boost of their mental capabilities. I hope this presentation has given you an idea of what cyberware can offer and how it could impact our lives in the future. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.